Hi guys, good morning. So today is a very busy day. Right now I am having my breakfast, my pancakes and mango fruit with chai breakfast. I'm gonna get ready for one of the biggest days as a creator. This is one of the biggest days, so I'm gonna vlog this entire day, like a day in my life. It's 8 a.m. in the morning. I just woke up and I'm getting everything done, and I'm gonna show you the look and everything. But today we are shooting for Humans of Bombay. Like, I'll tell you the entire thing once I finish my breakfast. Like, this was my dream since forever. I'll tell you more in detail once I finish my breakfast. I'll see you then. Bye. How do you feel ready, Tata?
વેરી નાઇસ. મારી દીકરી તૈયાર કરે છે, દીકરી શૂટ કરે છે, તો એનાથી સર્વોત્તમ શું હોઈ શકે? વાવ,
Oh my god. Oh my god.
શી ઇઝ સો ફૂલ ઇન મૂડ.
Full in mood. Amazing. Karo. Chalo. We'll do her makeup and then I'll tell you the rest of the story. કેવું લાગે છે તમને આટલું સરસ રેડી થઈને?
બહુ સુંદર લાગે છે. મારી દીકરી તૈયાર કરી છે મને.
ओहो. Yes, so we are ready. उनको ऐसा मस्त में ready किया गया है for her shot. We'll shoot with her first and then mom का होगा, then I'll do mine.
Do this way. Your chin should be the straight, okay, in a straight position. Just you have to down your eyelids like this and slight smile.
करो.
Oh, nice. Yay!
I think by the time this video goes up, like the read would be up, so go watch it on Humans of Bombay's Instagram account because it's going to be amazing. It has like an entire story of the 3 generations and it's beautiful. So yeah, look at my mother. She is doing her photo session. और हमने यहीं पे, this is the same thing. There is no much, so I'll show you around. So we are done with our entire shoot. It was a very hectic day, so I promised you I will explain what this entire situation is. So basically Humans of Bombay said that they would, you know, love to feature us on their page. And if you don't know what Humans of Bombay is, I think you are like living under a rock. This is a platform where they tell stories from different people who live in Bombay, and sometimes they also tell stories of like influencers or something that's like, you know, really motivative, and they don't even live in Bombay. It's basically a storytelling page, a storytelling platform. And since Instagram's algorithm has changed completely and it does prefer reels, so they decided to, like, you know, collaborate with us on the reels. So this happened 3 weeks ago, and then since then I have been, you know, working with them to make sure that the concept is good, and then we discussed about the entire scripting and how the reel will happen in the reel and what's the story that we want to tell. And from the get-go, it was about like 3 generations of women empowerment and how generations supported each other for this. So the entire story was about that, which was very, very beautiful for me. Like, I felt that's a beautiful story to tell. So yeah, we did that, and then it took us 3 weeks to actually, like, a lot of back and forth, and like my mom was not here and we had to wait for her to come back from Silvassa and shoot. So we did that, waited for her so that she can come back, and then finally today is the day we started to shoot. Sorry that I could not show you. I just could show you a little bit of the glimpses because it is, if you can see, there's an overcast on my face already, that it's actually still raining outside, which of course is my favorite weather and it's beautiful, but it's really not good when you have to shoot a video. For photos, again, gray weather, grayscale is good, but for videos it was so hard. So thank God we had like additional lighting so I could light our face properly and could do it. I hope like it gets approved. But yeah, for now this is it. This is what my day in the life is when I am shooting for a collaboration or shooting for something important. I'll give you guys a little bit of backstory of what the story is. Basically, 3 generations of women, how they empower each other. So because my nanny has faced in her life, she made sure that my mom doesn't face that, and you know, she always grew and she motivated her and supported her. So that's her story. Cut to my mom, you know, being the first female in the house to start a job so early in her age, you know, start do things all by herself, cut to she wanting me to, you know, empowering me, because I was one person who was like so shy and timid. From that to this person sitting in front of you telling you my story, it's a very big change for me. Sometimes still get goosebumps, because for me, sitting in front of camera and just speaking to you, everyone, is what has always been a dream. Like, I always wanted to do this, but I never had the guts and the courage, or I just felt I wasn't enough. So yeah, but now that I'm sitting here and, you know, talking to you, it just feels, you know, it just feels great. It feels great. So that entire story is what the reel is all about, and it's just like telling stories of every individual and telling stories of every single generation. For me, this was my biggest dream, because, like, as I was mentioning, that Humans of Bombay, they do paid collaborations as well. Like, you can pay them to post for you. I know a lot of my friends have done that, I think. So I'm not sure if till date they do that with us, like they take paid promotions or not. I actually wanted to do that for my parents' anniversary. I wanted to do that for my best friend's wedding, but I just never got the chance or the opportunity, or like it just never fit right. And then I was like, one day I will have my story posted on Humans of, I'll have what I am posted on Humans of Bombay, or like just like tell my story on that platform one day. It was always, and that dream happening because of reels was insane. That's just all. Right now it is 4 p.m. I was thinking कि मैं थोड़ा, you know, कुछ shake ऐसे कुछ पीऊँ, और then I will go for cycling, because घर पे मेरा body बहुत stiff हो चुका है, and it's really nice weather outside. So I was planning I'll go cycle. Let's go. Let's do that. Let's cycle. I will see you guys later. Bye. What else? आपको मजा आया शूट करके?
बहुत ही मजा आया. आई मीन थक गए. स्पॉट दादा बन के, लाइट दादा बन के, हेयर टाई बन के, मेकअप दादा बन के, एंड प्रोड्यूसर तो है ऑफ कोर्स. ये सब तो पैसा मेरा ही लगा है. ये खाली डायरेक्टर बन के आती है. हमारे डायरेक्टर सर आते हैं ना, वैसे आएगी, गाड़ी में से उतरेगी. हाँ क्या है, चलो रेडी है, अच्छा चल 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 निकल निकल निकल, ए अच्छा तू इधर से डायलॉग बोल, तू उधर से डायलॉग बोल, हो गया. एंड शी जस्ट वेंट ऑफ, खत्म. अभी ये सब कौन उठाएगा?
I'm very strict also when it comes to shooting. Like, खत्म करो सब, उसके बाद सब बैठे. Like,
हाँ, इसने मेरी मम्मी को 3 घंटे तक बिठा के रखा. मुझे तो ऐसे समझती नहीं है खुद में, क्या करेंगे.
तब बोल, सबको लगा मैं तुम्हें अत्याचार करती हूँ.
अत्याचार ही कर रही है. अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ऐसा बनाऊंगी जब ये मेरे से अत्याचार करती है. वीडियो बनाने के लिए 3 बजे रात के 4 बजे तक ये मेरे को जगाती है. ऐसे आंखें ऐसी हो जाती है मेरी, सुबह में ऐसी आंखें हो जाती है. ऐसा मेरे को ऐसा त्रास देती है ये लड़की. बस स्टिल आई लव यू. हाँ.
I am just now realizing that this is the same, I think, sports bra that I wore for my 5 a.m. morning routine as well. But so we decided to go for a run, but this is what happened, and it started raining. And I would love to, like, I went cycling on weekend when it was raining. I was magical. It was like the best feeling ever. It was so good to cycle during when it rains. But right now I need to have my hair done correctly, because if there is a reshoot or something, then I need to make sure that my hair is cut. Otherwise, I don't want to go through the entire process of redoing my hair again. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna make the most of our time here and do a little bit of stretching and do vlog Pilates workout. Like, because working out is important. I've realized my body gets very stiff if I don't work out. We're gonna work out on our dear mat. That is what we're gonna do. What are we gonna do for total body workout? So in the 5 a.m. morning routine, this is what I did. I did the 5 with the wake up and stretch thing, and I'm thinking of doing this 12 minutes total body tone. I've done it and it's fun. So let's do this. So I just got done with my meditation for today and my exercise. I felt so good. Again, I am using this app that I spoke to you about last time. I still use it. It's called Bloom. I did positive affirmations. One affirmation, I got tears in my eyes. Sometimes it happens, like when you're meditating inside, you might feel a lot of emotions, because meditation is a very difficult practice. Like, as people say, like, you should meditate, you should do that, but what people don't tell you is like it's a difficult practice. It takes time for you to cultivate that, and for you to understand what type of meditation suits you, what type of meditation you actually enjoy. So I personally enjoy guided meditation. I cannot just like sit and just like be in my thoughts, because I'll have gazillion thoughts. So I need proper guided meditation, somebody to guide me through it. So yeah, I use positive affirmations as a one, and it was amazing. Like the affirmations, let me know if you guys would love to see a video about like how my affirmations and visualizations actions helped me lived those events and those moments that I thought I will live, and the events and the moments that I wanted to live actually. So yeah, I would love to make a video about it, but right now I feel so zen. I'm just sitting by the window on the opposite side, and I have the light coming on my face, and I just love this time. Everyone's at home and sleeping because it's like right in the middle of the afternoon, but you won't be able to see it because the sun is down and it's raining outside. It's a really nice weather. It's a really nice day. I think so far my day is going good. You tell me, how about you? How's your day been? How has your day been till now? Yeah, I will see you guys later. So when I'm cooking, I love watching pickup lines. It's just, Saria is like so nice and so soothing. Not that I cook anything. I tried making the overnight oats and all those things, but apart from that, there's nothing I make from pickup lines, but I love it. So right now we are making chai. One chai, I'll show you. This is my chai, and this is Nani's and Mom's chai. So basically my chai is made of almond milk because I don't have dairy, and their chai is made of course normal milk. So we have our hummus stored in the refrigerator. Ta-da! Of course, thoda ice ho gaya hai. I have to keep it out for a shit. It's a little hard ho gaya. It looked so good. I thought it's not hard. Fuck, but isko bahar rakhna chahiye tha. Where is she? I am now gonna wait for this to defrost, and once that's done, then I can go in and have my black Marie Worry banana biscuits and chai, because chai is life. So let's do that. Hi guys! So yesterday night I forgot to actually end my vlog because Tuesdays and Thursdays are the busiest day at work for me for some reason. Today is Thursday, which means my reel for Unofficial Humans of Bombay page is live. I can't believe I'm getting so much love and appreciation from every single one of you. Like, I am editing this video on iMovie, so I can't put the reel up here, but please, if you get a chance, go and watch this reel. It means so much to me. It is again on Official Humans of Bombay page, and it's insane that something like that, something that I've always dreamt of, like a collaboration that I've always dreamt of, a company that I've always dreamt of working together, I actually did. And I don't know what to say, and I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. It was a very simple like home vlog, nothing fancy, but I shot for the biggest collaboration for my creator life. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And next week I am back to scheduled as per the schedule of my videos. If you guys want to know like why am I editing on iMovies, is because my Mac crashed. So FCB crashed too with it, and that's why I'm just editing on iMovie. So just if there is any mistake that I've done in this vlog, just let it go, please. Just let it slide. Again, thank you so much for the love and appreciation you guys have given me on that reel. I was literally in tears. My heart was racing so much. I had to calm myself down, like, oh, so much. So yeah, thank you again, once again, for all the love and appreciation you guys gave me, and I will see you guys next week with a new video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel, because I post new videos every single week and every single Friday, and I will see you guys next week. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.